Planting a tree properly is essential for its growth and sustainability. First, choose a suitable location with enough sunlight and well-drained soil. Dig a hole that is wider and slightly shallower than the tree's root ball. Gently remove the tree from its container and loosen the roots. Place the tree in the center of the hole, making sure it stands straight. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Create a watering basin around the trunk to hold water during irrigation. Water the tree thoroughly, ensuring that the soil is evenly moist but not saturated. Add a layer of mulch around the tree, keeping it away from the trunk. Regularly water the tree, especially during the establishment period. Prune any damaged or dead branches and shape the tree as desired. Monitor the tree's growth and provide ongoing care to maintain its health and vitality. By following these steps, you can plant a tree perfectly and contribute to a greener environment.